Do you offer designs like this where, in this case, depending on what the customer types in, the birth flower element right here would change from January all the way through December? Or even designs like this where the customer can choose from different clip arts to really build their character. They can choose from different skin tones, different blouses, and in this case, also different hairstyles. Or even designs like this, where this one has just tons of different design variations for the customer to choose from. In any case, HelloCustom can now fully automate this for you using our brand new image collections. So in this tutorial, we're gonna do a complete walkthrough on how to create an image collection, how to apply that to your design, and 2 different ways HelloCustom can automate these designs for you. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using the following design where I want to allow my customer to choose from the different clip art elements. I want to allow them to choose from different cats, different dogs, different hairstyles, as well as different dress colors to really make this image look like themselves. There's also some text personalization here at the bottom where they can personalize the cat's name, the girl's name, as well as the dog's name. So now that we have our design, we can now go into HelloCustom to create our image collections. All right, so I just signed into our HelloCustom account, and to create an image collection, we will go to the Collections tab right here, and this is where we will show you all of your collections, organized by image collections, color collections, as well as font collections. To create a collection, let's go to the top right and click on to create collection, where from here we can choose from the different type. If we want to create an image collection, a color collection, or a font collection, where in this case, again, we are creating an image collection. To create an image collection, all you have to do is give the collection a name and drag and drop your image elements. So let's go ahead and start with our different hairstyles. I'm going to title this one Bun. I'm going to click on to add image, click into my folder right here. And one cool feature about HelloCustom is you are able to drag and drop these elements in one at a time, or to make things faster, you are able to select everything and upload it in one drop. HelloCustom will automate creating the collection as well as automate naming these image elements the same thing that it is titled in the file right here. I'm now going to click on to upload. All right, perfect. As you can see, all of our image elements loaded right here. And because we drag and dropped all 8 in one go, this did take about 15 to 20 seconds for everything to load. As you can see, we ordered it in the same order as your file. We automated creating the thumbnail for you, as well as we automated naming the file for you, the same thing as the file name. If you want to rearrange the order for any reason, you can do so by dragging and dropping them right here. If you want to change the thumbnail or change the name of the image element, you can do so by clicking onto the pencil icon right here, where you can change the image name right here. If you want to change the image itself, you can do so right here. And if you want to change the thumbnail, in some cases, you might want the thumbnail to look different than the image element, you can do so right here, but everything else was automated for you. Again, all you have to do is drag, drop, give the collection a title, click on to create, and then HelloCustom will automate creating that collection for you. Again, it is displayed underneath our collections tab. In this case, it is an image collection. So it will be displayed right here where we show the name of the collection side by side with the collection elements. If you want to see all of the elements, you can click onto this button right here. We will show, in this case, all 8 assets. And there's also a couple actions that you can do if you want to edit the collection, if you want to make a copy or clone the collection, or if you want to delete the collection. If you click onto the edit, it will take you back to that previous step where you're able to jump into those individual elements, rearrange it, or change the name of the collection. Click on to update, and we will update that collection for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and create the image collections for the different hairstyles, the different cats, the different dogs, as well as the different dress colors. All right, so I just got done creating all of our image collections. When you have everything organized and ready to go, this really only takes a couple of minutes to just drag and drop, give a title, and then HelloCustom will automatically create this image collection for you. So for the collections that we created, I created a couple different collections for the different hairstyles, one for the dress, one for the cat, and also a couple different collections for the dog breeds. As you can see, I have multiple collections for the dog breeds and multiple collections for the different hairstyles. If you have a lot of image elements, for example, a lot of dog breeds, or if you want to break your collection up into kind of smaller collections, for example, the different hairstyles, HelloCustom will also automate the conditional logic that your customer can choose from the different hairstyles to then be able to see the elements within that style. So now that we've created our image collections, we can now create our design and apply this collection to that design. To do that, we'll go over to the left, click on to designs, and to upload your design into HelloCustom to automate the personalization, go to the top right and click on to upload design. And because I create my designs inside of Canva, I am going to leverage our brand new direct Canva integration, where if you click on to upload from Canva, HelloCustom is going to pull in all of your Canva designs right here at your fingertips within inside of your HelloCustom account. Check this out. It really does not get easier than this. We're going to sort all of your Canva designs from most recent to oldest, as well as you can search for your design right here. We have our design right here. You can click on to if you want it to come in with a transparent background. In this case, I do. And what page you want to pull into HelloCustom. In this case, page 1. Click on to upload from Canva. And just like that, HelloCustom was able to grab our Canva design, pull it into our HelloCustom account, fully editable as if you created it inside of HelloCustom to begin with. So to set up your design inside of HelloCustom, there's only 3 things that you have to do. Number 1, give the design a title. Number 2, tell HelloCustom what in the design needs to be personalized. And number 3, what product this design belongs to. As we tell HelloCustom what is meant to be personalized, over here on this right column, we are going to be building out those personalization input fields if you are using our Etsy live preview or if this is for a Shopify product. So again, in this design, we're going to go ahead and title this as Pet Mom Mug. Next, I'm just going to tell HelloCustom what in this design needs to be personalized. Again, we have a collection for the cat, collections for the dog, collections for the hairstyle, and a collection for the dress. We also have a name element for the cat, the girl, and the dog. I'm going to go ahead and click onto the cat element right here. And again, just tell HelloCustom what is meant to be personalized, where this is a cat. So if we come up to the top left, we can tag this as cat. Click on to enter, and you will get this pop-up to add an image customization, where HelloCustom knows that this is an image, where the 2 different types of personalization that you can do for an image is going to be an image upload or an image collection. In this case, we are doing image collections. Click on to image collection, and then HelloCustom will walk you through the very next steps of what to do. Do you want this element to be required? Yes or no, and to select the collection that you want to be applied to this image element. You can do that by clicking onto the drop-down menu right here, where we will pull in all of your image collections on this drop-down, and you can also search for it right here. In this case, I want to do my cat collection, which is right here. It will then add this collection to this element. If you get to your design and you forgot to create your collection, you don't have to leave the editor. You can also create your collection by clicking onto create collection right here in real time and then apply it to the element. It really does not get easier than this. Once I apply my collection to my element, click on to save, and now that collection will be applied to this image element. If I click onto this carrot icon, you can see that HelloCustom is creating a thumbnail preview of what those personalization input fields are going to look like. Again, if you are using our Etsy live preview or if this is for a Shopify personalized product. I'm going to go ahead and leave this out for the remainder of the tutorial. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click onto our dog element right here, and I'm going to tag this as dog. Same thing, the type is going to be for an image collection. And in this case, we have 3 different collections that we want to apply to this image element. We have the A through C, we have the D through L, as well as the M through Z. As you can see, you are able to apply multiple collections to an element inside of your design. You are also able to rearrange them right here. So as I mentioned, we are able to automate the conditional logic. So if you apply more than one image collection to an image element inside of your design, click on to save. HelloCustom will automate the conditional logic that your customer has to first choose from the collection to then be able to see the collection elements. These are our A through Z. This is our D through L. And this is our M through Z. Perfect. Now that we have done the cat, the dog, we can now do the hairstyle right here. The type is going to be an image collection. And same thing, we have multiple collections I want to apply. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and do the top bun at the top, the bottom bun next, curly and then short. Click on to save, and then it will add this personalization input field on the right hand side right here. Next, let's go ahead and do the dress. Again, I hope that you can see it really does not get easier than this. I'm simply just telling HelloCustom what needs to be personalized. I'm applying the collection to the element, and HelloCustom is fully automating the rest of the process. Click onto image collection, click onto the dress, click onto save. That's it. So now we've done the hair, the dress, the cat, the dogs. All that we have left is the text personalization here at the bottom. We have the cat's name, the girl's name, and the dog's name. So I'm gonna go ahead and click onto the cat's name and tag it as cat name. Click onto enter, and because this is a text element, the types are gonna be text input, font collection, or a color collection. In this case, it is going to be a text input. And again, HelloCustom walks you through the very next steps of how to set up the personalization for this element. Do you want it to be required? Yes or no? And do you want to add a character limit? Yes or no? These are optional. I'm going to go ahead and click on to save. And as you can see, HelloCustom adds this to the right-hand side. It also automates the display name as Bella, which is the display name inside of our design. We try to automate as much as possible for you to make the process and the setup of your design as easy as possible. I'm now going to do the girl's name. The type is going to be a text input. Click on to save. And lastly, the dog's name. Text input and save. So now that we've gone ahead and told HelloCustom everything in this design that's meant to be personalized, we can now rearrange the elements on the right-hand column. That way it is in the order that we want it to display, again, if for the Etsy live preview or for a Shopify product. Maybe you want the girl's name to be at the very top, so you can just drag and drop this to the top. This is super clean, super easy. No other tool allows it to be this straightforward. I'm gonna have the girl's name at the top, then maybe I want to have the bun or the hairstyle to be next, and the dress to be third. Now that the customer has personalized the girl element, maybe we want the dog's name to be next, then the dog clip art, the cat's name, and then the cat collection here at the bottom. All right, so now that we've given our design a title, we've told HelloCustom everything in this design that's meant to be personalized. There was a lot in this example. The only thing we have to do now is tell HelloCustom what product this design belongs to. That way, when that product sells, HelloCustom will automate the design personalization and then automate the fulfillment next. To do that, go ahead and click on to products in the top right, where HelloCustom will pull in all of your products for the store organized by active, inactive, or draft. You can also search for your product right here. In this case, this is our Pet Mom mug. Click onto it, where you are able to then determine which variations belong to this design. In some cases, maybe you have a light design that goes onto the dark variations and the vice versa, where you can turn some of these off. When these sell, do not use this design, but when these sell, do use this design. But in this example, I'm gonna go ahead and leave all 4 as selected. Click on to update. Now, all we have to do is click on to save. And just like that, your design is now saved. So the very next time that this product sells, HelloCustom will be able to automate the personalization for you. So on Etsy, there is 2 different ways that HelloCustom can automate the personalization, depending on which way your customers go. So on Etsy, as you know, the customer is able to enter in their personalization instructions in this text box on the Etsy listing, where HelloCustom is able to fully automate your collections, image collections, color collections, and font collections, as well as your text personalization from what the customer types in right here. So if the customer types in that they want a top bun 1, cat 1, a bloodhound, Stella for the cat's name, Brittany for the girl's name, and Charlie for the dog's name, HelloCustom will be able to match that to your image element names and fully personalize this design for you from what the customer types in right here. So that is one way that the customers can personalize their designs on Etsy, again, leveraging this text box. But I also wanted to show you our brand new Etsy Live preview. I think it's going to lead to a much better buying experience and be your secret weapon to offering more complex personalized designs like this one on Etsy. So I just signed back into our HelloCustom account, where I'm now going to go ahead and click on to live preview, where if you are on HelloCustom's business plan, you have access to our live preview, both for Etsy and for Shopify. To create a live preview, I'm going to click on to create live preview, where from here, we're going to upload a blank mockup of our product. You can use any mockup for any design for any product that you sell. So this is the mockup that we're going to use for our Pet Mom mug, where to create a live preview, all you have to do is give it a title and add your design on top of the mockup. So I'm going to go ahead and title this as Pet Mom mug. And to add your design on top of the mockup, click on to designs, where we're going to pull in all of your HelloCustom designs right here. In this case, I just have the one. Go ahead and click onto your design, where it will then add your design on top of your mockup. And all we have to do is adjust the design so it looks realistic on top of the product. So feel free to move it, adjust it, crop it, rotate it. But as long as it looks realistic on the product, it is perfect. HelloCustom is going to personalize this design on top of this mock-up to show the customers that realistic look of exactly what the product is going to look like before they order it. Once it looks good, go ahead and click on to save. All right, perfect. So our live preview is now saved, where all we have to do now is click onto the three dots right here and click onto the live preview link. Next, we can sign into our Etsy account and click onto our Etsy listing right here. Next, scroll down to the personalization instructions right here, and this is where the magic happens. You are able to paste that link right here, and then add your instructions for the personalization. So for example, you might say, enter in your personalization below, or to see a live preview, go to, and then this link right here. So now the customers know they can either enter in their personalization directly on Etsy, maybe cat 1, top bun 3, a blue dress, or if they want to see a live preview, or in my case, have a better buying experience, they can go to this link right here, which will then take them to our Etsy live preview page right here. I mean, check this out. This is way better than that text box over on Etsy, a much better buying experience than having to type this all out in that text box over on Etsy, where this is a non-HelloCustom branded page. We're gonna put all of your information on this page. We're gonna put your Etsy logo right here, your seller name right here. This is the title of your Etsy listing, your seller name right here, your live preview right here, and all of those personalization input fields right here. And again, this is a live preview. So as the customer enters in their personalization, we're going to dynamically personalize the design on this mockup. That way the customer can see exactly what it's going to look like before they order it. So let's go ahead and personalize this design. So for example, let's say the name is Brittany. And as you can see right here, it changed the name to Brittany. For the hairstyle, maybe they want to do a bottom bun and number 3. As you can see right here, it changed the bun style to bun number 3. For the dress, let's change it to brown. For the dog's name, let's just do Sam. Perfect. For the dog breed, let's try doing a English Bulldog. As you can see, it's changing this image right here in real time. For the cat's name, let's just do Stella. And let's do cat number 7. All right, perfect. Scrolling back up, this is my personalized design. I can see exactly what it's going to look like before I order it. Now I can scroll down to the bottom, click on to done, which the customer will then get a pop-up that says copy and paste the reference number below into the personalization box on Etsy. So from here, they can click on to copy, click on to the back to Etsy button right here, where we will then redirect them back to this product over on Etsy for them to paste in that reference number right here. And we already have that design personalized and ready to go for when that order comes in. So in this tutorial, we went over how to create image collections, how to apply those to your designs inside of HelloCustom, and 2 different ways that your customers can personalize these products on Etsy, again, leveraging image collections and image elements. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@hellocustom.io.